What's up guys, welcome to the next video. In the last one we finished off here with this JavaScript event listener, so that once we click the button we would print out the actual data, and that's a fairly simple use of the JSON response. There's a lot that we could do with it, like displayed in a much better way, but this is just to get the concept across. And so in this video, what we're going to now talk about is Ajax. And so the first thing to note about Ajax is that if you want to use it, we're going to need jQuery. So let's go to jQuery CDN, and I'm just going to get the minified version of the latest one. So I'm going to copy this script tag, and then if we go inside here, in index, I'm going to just paste this. I'll actually paste this above the script main. So now we've got jQuery here, and if we can close the URLs here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to say $.ajax, and inside here we put the curly brackets and then the brackets and then curly brackets, and what we're going to do is say method, and that's going to be a get, and then we can specify the URL, which I'm going to specify is just this URL here. So I'm going to actually cut all of that and put it above, and we'll say the URL is URL, and then we can say success. And success is a function which will be of data, and we'll just say console.log data, console.log, and we'll just say success. Then we'll specify an error, and we'll say error is function data, and we'll say console.log, and we'll say error. Actually, this should be error data. So all of this asynchronous JavaScript and XML, this Ajax, what this will do is load the data for us automatically. So right now what I'm going to do is go into Chrome, and I'm going to refresh this. And note, I have not clicked the submit button yet. I haven't done anything, but you can see here we've got this dictionary, this JSON here showing in the console. And so if I just go back into Sublime Text here, you'll see we said if it's success, then log the data and log success. So that's what's happening. You can see here success, that was logged, and then the actual dictionary here is being shown in the console. So this means it was a success. If I click submit, then the next line will work as well. So it's just doing the exact same thing. But you can see that this data was there from the beginning with Ajax. We didn't need to do anything. It was just there because it was loaded in asynchronously. And only once I clicked the submit button did the API or the JavaScript go and grab that URL specifically. So with Ajax, that's quite nice because we didn't have to click anything, we didn't have to load anything. It was all just there for us. So that is Ajax in a nutshell for you. Very simple, very easy to implement, and quite nice as well. So there's a lot more to come from using this. This is very basic right now, but there's a lot that you can do with this, especially the fact that you can just pass in data that comes from a URL. So on this URL, you could use the APIs to load whatever data it is you want over here, and then grab whatever data you want, and you can then either most likely do this in JavaScript. You would create either some kind of visualization or even just styling or jQuery. So there's a lot that you can really do. But I'm going to end this video on this note, and the next one we will take a look at the Django REST framework and how you can piece a lot of this together. So if you enjoyed this video, then please leave a like down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.